continue to work with the good people of Rivers State. Take me as one of yours. Take me as one of you. I belong to you. Daddy believes in what I'm doing. This man is a famous man who invested his money in education. He doesn't have investment like others do, where we don't know what they are doing. Two of us, you know what we are doing. They know our age. They know the school we attended. Nothing in us. I'm not saying we are perfect, but you know you go to school. Once you have 75, you have A. Even if you have 90, still A, which means you are allowed some small mistake. But don't get that and be saying you pass. Two of us get A. And that is why we want people to follow us. Everybody knows our age. They know where we are born. They know where we live. They know the school we attended. We have classmates. This morning I was telling somebody about Peter Odili. I said Dr. Odili was my senior boy in secondary school. We couldn't have played football in CKC without Odili. Any day he's not in the match, we have lost. So we know. So I have people in Rivers State that went to school with me. Some people, nobody has seen people who went to school with them. So we must change it. That is what we are saying. This must change. Governor Wike has said that it is us. Everybody should speak the truth. Everybody should do the right thing. And that is what we are starting with a new Nigeria. A Nigeria where people will speak the truth. A Nigeria where people will do the right thing. A Nigeria where we will be commissioning project. That is what we came here to do today. To commission projects. This is how Nigeria we want. Where we are commissioning projects. Not where we are giving excuse that this will happen, that will happen. May this be the future of Nigeria.